Welcome back to Rosie's Reviews. Today I will be showing you guys the Waterpik water flosser. It's the WP100. So this flosser is great. Make sure that you guys floss every day. If you have sensitive gum, then this product is right for you. You can throw out those toothpicks and use the water flosser. Water flosser is the new way and the modern way to floss your teeth. And if you haven't done so, you may floss your teeth every day for healthy gums, healthy teeth, to prevent those cavities from building up. So you want to start with the Waterpik. You want to rinse the little tub that it comes with, and you want to fill it with lukewarm water. And of course, you want to replace it firmly on the base, which I will be showing you guys in a minute. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click subscribe on the bottom of this video and check out the other cool videos that I have on my YouTube channel. I buy a lot of things online, a lot of things in the store. I get things sent to me sometimes for review. So anything, I will give you an honest review if I like it, if I don't like it, or anything like that. So make sure you subscribe. Also, I have an Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Officials, and I will follow you back. And don't forget to say hi, so I know that you have started following me. So it comes with all these different picks that you see, and all you have to do is you press the tip firmly into the handle, and there should be no gap between the handle and the collar top ring. And it comes also with a cool storage case where you're able to put all of your picks for storage when you're not using them. So that's pretty cool. It keeps them out of dust, out of the way. And if you are sharing picks, make sure you do not. There's plenty of picks to go around, so make sure that you and your partner each have your own separate ones. All right, so once the pick is in there, you're going to turn the pressure on high, point it to the sink. And in high, it means all the way to the number 10, and then you can turn it on or off in the unit itself, or you see that big blue button by my thumb, that's also an on and off. When the machine is on, you can press on that, but if the machine is off, you cannot turn it on by that. So that's only for when you're using it. It helps control the pressure, and you want to use 1 or 10 depending on what's more comfortable for you and your mouth. And you start on low, and then you increase to your liking with the unit off, and then you place the tip in your mouth and then turn on the power. You make sure you close your lips when you're doing this to prevent any splashing while you still allow water to flow from mouth into the sink. You know the drill. And then you want to aim the water at the gum line at a 90-degree angle. Follow the gum line and pause briefly between teeth. That's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.